senior stationary scientist. Latest invention. The Rat Shooter 5000. Silenced but deadly. Synthetic stock for hunting down the trolloping rats on the plains of the Serengeti. I'm going to show you a new trick though. What you can do to get a little bit more power out of your pellet gun. This is gun oil. What you do is that little space right there where the air pops out. What you do is you put you a couple drops of oil in that little bad boy. And what happens is when your puff of air, your violent puff of air goes through there, it'll ignite that oil and cause a little combustion in your chamber, thus propelling your pellet a couple more 100 feet per second than it does on its own. This thing is like really fun to play with too. And of course you can see my little carpeted target box I made back there for safe indoor shooting. Always safety first. Always safety first. Ooh. Probably gonna get a nice scope for it here soon, or maybe some night vision. But it's dead on accurate. And then if that doesn't do it, you can always